Welcome, geometry students, to class today on this Thursday the 13th. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're ready to learn some math today. Let's go ahead and get started with today's announcements. Here we go. We'll have a quiz tomorrow. We'll talk about this later. Incompletes. Let's take a look at the incompletes here real quick. Jordan, I'm giving you until tomorrow to get your test for corrections in. This assignment here that was given last Thursday, Jade, you have until Friday to get it turned in. All of these things, students, will turn into zeros if they're not turned in, okay? Quiz number 7, Anna, Libby, Katie by Friday. Excuse me. This assignment here I gave last Friday. And Jaden, Jordan, Brandon, Sarah, and Jaron, I need that turned in by tomorrow, or they will become excuse me, guys. Or it will become a zero, okay? Now, Jaden, I'm not mad at all. I'm not mad, but I have to be a teacher who does what he says he's going to do. And if you'll go back and listen to yesterday's video, I did say that this assignment had to be turned in during class before you left yesterday, okay? And so I'm just letting you know I did not get that, and so it is a zero, okay? Now, if there's any problems, Mr. Hamill, if something happened I don't know about, then please contact me and let me know, and then we'll go from there, okay? All right, let me clear this off here real quick, and we'll continue on. All right, here we go. Students, moving on, remember, if you miss class, go to this website. It's your job to watch what you missed, okay? Just go to that website and type in the day's date that you missed. Okay, students? Okay, continuing on. The schedule for today, we're going to go over the quiz material and then also notes on congruent triangles, using congruent triangles. Okay, let's continue on. The video today is 36 minutes and 26 seconds long. It is some really tough information, so please take really good notes and listen well. There will be some proofs. If you don't finish the video in class, you do not have to finish it tonight. Just finish it tomorrow in class and then start working on your homework, okay? The instructional video for today is called Lesson 5.5, okay? And Mr. Hamill, you may start the video at 13 minutes and 14 seconds, okay? Now let's look at what will be on the quiz tomorrow. Please take some really good notes, students, okay? I'm telling you what will be on the quiz. Please take good notes. Here we go. Postulate 19. Angle, side, angle. Congruence postulate. Okay? Make sure you know that postulate. It will be fill in the blank on the quiz. Okay, fill in the blank. Okay, moving on. Theorem 4.7. Know this theorem. It will be fill in the blank on the quiz. Okay? Make sure you know that theorem. And then any problems from this assignment here are fair game for your test. Okay? Any problems from that assignment there are fair game. Okay? It's fair game. So write that down. Make sure you study those problems. Okay, continuing on. Theorem 5.2, hypotenuse leg. Know this theorem. It will be on your quiz. Fill in the blank. Okay? Also, any problems from that homework assignment right there, page 260, is fair game for your quiz. So make sure you can work those problems out, okay? Give you a second to write this down, then we're going to move on. Okay, continuing on. Now, quickly in closing, Sarah, Mr. Hamill mentioned about your family's moving into a house and the internet is not hooked up yet. Listen, no problems. Just do the best you can. And if you need more time on something until the internet is hooked up, don't hesitate to let me know, okay? And there's my number right there. Just call me, okay? And that number is no big national secret. Everyone has my number there at the school. And then lastly, if you're absent one day, Sarah, then I will give you more time to make it up, okay? Until the internet is hooked up at your house, okay? All right, moving on. And like usual, guys, really sorry about my voice today. Now, guys, I'm going to do this randomly to make sure you're taking notes in class. And Mr. Hamill kind of keeps me updated on whether or not you guys are taking notes. So I'm going to give you a pop quiz, pop note, homework assignment, whatever you want to call it, right now. So please do the following, or please listen to what I want you to do, and then pause the video and do this, and then restart the video. Okay? So here's what I want you to do. I want you to make sure you spread out in the classroom, preferably two people at each lab table at opposite ends, spread out. Take a blank sheet of paper with you, something to write with, and your notebook from yesterday's notes. So once again, I want you to spread out, get a blank sheet of paper, something to write with, and get your notes from yesterday's notes. Okay? All right, go ahead and pause the video. Do all of that, and then restart the video. Okay, here we go, students. I'm not sure if I'm going to count this as a quiz grade or a homework grade. I'm all for counting it as a quiz grade, but my concern is it's going to be really easy for those that took notes, so I'm almost giving too easy of a 100 for a quiz. So I've got to think about that, okay? But here's the deal. The last proof we did in our notes yesterday looked like this. Okay, there it is. So to get a 100 on this assignment, I want you to copy this down, copy this down, copy this down. Got it? Then I want you to go ahead and do the entire proof. I think, I might be wrong, but I think it was 7 steps, but I could be wrong. Okay, so go ahead, and now from your notes, you can use your notes all that you want to. So if you did not take notes, you're going to get a 0 on this. Okay, and I'm sorry, but I warned you guys. Let me tell you why I'm doing this. Mr. Earhart's being mean. No, listen to me. He wants us to learn the math. Well, I do, but that's not my reason. Listen, your parents are paying money. And if I knew that my son was sitting in a class sleeping or not taking notes and the teacher did not deal with that, I would be very upset. I would be upset at Michael for not taking notes, but also at the teacher for not letting me know. And so, guys, I'm not going to let you not take notes. So hopefully you're already working. Those that do not have notes, obviously you cannot copy from someone else. Just go ahead and put your name on it and turn it in, and you have to you take the grade that you deserve. And those that do have notes, go ahead and copy down the 7 steps. You should have a line like this, and a line like this, and your statements over here, and your reasons over here, and 7 steps here, and 7 steps here. So those that took good notes are going to be rewarded, and those that did not will not be rewarded. Now, when this is done, then go ahead, Mr. Hamill, and start the video for today, which is lesson, I believe I said what? Lesson 5 whatever it was I said, lesson 5.5, started at the 13:14 mark, okay? And again, I'm sorry, my voice is really bad today. That's very frustrating. I'm going to get off here and go cry somewhere. Just kidding, I'm joking, but it is what it is. So there we go. Go ahead and get started. Have a good day today, guys, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Please study for your quiz tonight, okay? Or for tomorrow. Thank you.